We're here at the mothership, the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. We're the adventure community. We go places like this. We race our cars. We go on road trips. We visit the beach.
My Tesla Adventure is an opportunity to meet other Tesla owners and share enthusiasm for these amazing cars with like-minded people. I think that these cars should be driven, and I love having an excuse to drive.
We're not a group, we don't have membership list, we don't have membership dues. We're an adventure community. We plan events to bring Tesla owners from all over together to have a great time and always have an adventure. If you want to join the My Tesla Adventure community, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at My Tesla Adventure.